Welcome back, everyone. You're watching the Canfield Farmer. Today, I have a little surprise for you. It's kind of a surprise I've been working on for a while. We've had it for a long time, and decided I would get it running. You guys ready? Here it is. A 1950 John Deere Model A. This thing is a 70-year-old tractor this year. We just got it running last Thursday. We ordered parts, they came Wednesday, we installed it. It didn't start then, but then the next day it started. And then we also gave it an alternator. It's got an alternator now. We gave it, we cleaned up this carburetor for it, because the old one was cracked. And right here, we gave it a solid state ignition in here instead of points and condenser. We just gave it solid state. So here's the connection system. There's the resistor. Here's the ignition coil. So that's new. We also changed the system from, these tractors originally came with the negative ground. The negative point is positive, and the positive part of the battery is negative on the tractor. Well, we changed that around for the alternator, and so far it's been working great. So we're gonna start it up here. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the gas on. There we go, there's the gas. And then we stand up here on the tractor, sit on the seat, pull the choke out, make sure we got some throttle, turn the ignition key on. There we go. that sounds awesome. Yeah. Still needs a little bit of tune-up and work, but it's nice just to see this thing running. First time in my life it's ever been running, but last time it ran was like, I think like 20 to 25 years ago was the last time this thing ran. So it's good to have it running. I'll hopefully get to use it on the farm for farm work, and hoping the next winter or next summer restoring this thing, like totally repainting it and everything, and replacing some parts, and then hopefully use this as a show tractor. That would be fun. So that's my goal. So yeah, this tractor was bought in 1957 by I believe it was my grandpa. I'm pretty sure it was, yeah. My dad says it was my grandpa. I think it was our grandpa. I don't know if it was my great grandpa. I think it was my grandpa. Yeah, but yeah. So this tractor was used a lot. It was used for making hay back in the day. It was a miscellaneous tractor. They did a lot of little miscellaneous jobs, not a lot of big and monster jobs that you do with like our Farmall 560 is sitting in the other end of this shed currently. It's something that this is something they just use for miscellaneous stuff. But now I'm gonna use this for joyriding for now, because it's about all it's really any good for anymore, because I don't really have much pulling to do with it. But yeah, that's the John Deere A. So, want to thank you for watching the video. I know this was kind of a short video, but it was kind of a cool video. And see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.